Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for a brand new episode of this. That's not right. You remember we had to say goodbye to Margo in February of this year because she only had 2 seats. We needed at least 3 to take the family out for trips. So today's episode is actually this. Today's video is all about the new classic car that I've bought, and as you can see from the logo, it's one of these. A 1984 Austin Mini from the year of my birth. Originally she was a 998, that engine died, so they put a 1.3 from a Metro in it, so it's very similar to the same power as Margo. There's some aftermarket bits you might have spotted, alloy wheels at 13 inches, ooh, flared arches, quad whip-act lamps across the grille, some headlight upgrades, the dual exit DTM big bore exhaust out the back, and you might have spotted that it doesn't have a proper roof. No, back in 2003, 2004, this car had a brand new heritage shell bought for it, and it was then properly converted with a Keith's conversion kit to make it a convertible. So now all 3 of us can sit with the roof down on our little poodles around the British countryside. Now you've seen that she's not a standard 998, should we fire her up just as a little teaser for you to listen to? Let's do it. So there you go, an introduction to Mirabel, a 1275 1984 Austin Mini Cabrio. It's catchy. Anyway, hopefully you'll stick around for some more videos coming soon, but in the meantime, take care. Lots of love.